Welcome to our channel. Get ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine with the ultimate guide to the best top-rated spin mops of 2024. Say goodbye to traditional cleaning methods and discover the latest innovations that will make keeping your space sparkling a breeze. We have compared many products and selected only the best products by comparing based on a few criteria and ranked them. We have selected the product considering many factors, importantly user feedback. I put all of the product buying links in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome content like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Finishio Imop Spin Mop and Bucket. Introducing the VENETIO upgraded Imop Spin Mop and Bucket floor cleaning system, the ultimate solution for efficient and hassle-free floor cleaning. This innovative system is equipped with a cutting-edge water filtration spinner, revolutionizing the way you clean your floors. Say goodbye to traditional mops that spread dirt around and leave your floors damp. The VENETIO Imop utilizes its water filtration spinner to ensure that you're always cleaning with fresh water. As you spin the mop, the built-in filtration system removes dirt, debris, and contaminants, preventing them from being redeposited onto your floors. This means you're not only cleaning, but also actively purifying your living spaces. The upgraded design doesn't stop there. The VENETIO Imop Spin Mop and Bucket system are thoughtfully engineered for maximum convenience. The lightweight mop is easy to maneuver, allowing you to reach tight corners and underneath furniture with ease. The bucket features a splash guard and a sturdy handle, making it effortless to transport water from the sink to the cleaning area. Cleaning large areas? No problem. The generous bucket capacity minimizes the need for frequent refills, allowing you to clean more efficiently. The microfiber mop head is highly absorbent and gentle on all floor types, ensuring a streak-free and spotless finish every time. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the VENETIO upgraded Imop Spin Mop and Bucket floor cleaning system. Experience the power of water filtration and enjoy sparkling clean floors that enhance the overall hygiene and aesthetics of your home. Discover a new era of cleaning technology today. Number 4. Oshang EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket.
Oshang Deluxe Spin Mop, brand new design concept. Curved figure, separate dehydration basket design, easy extraction from the dehydration basket. Stainless steel basket with built-in bearing. Easy dehydration, save time and effort. Counterclockwise cleaning technology. Detachable scrubber. Silent wheel, smooth movement. Foldable handle allows you to easily move the bucket. Microfiber mop head, 180-degree flexible rotation, can effectively gather and hold dust, easily releases debris when rinsed. No more back pain guaranteed. The handle can be extended to 60 inches long. Drain plug design. Oshang, less effort, better cleaning.
Number 3. Mast Home Spin Mop and Bucket. Elevate your floor cleaning experience with the Mast Home Spin Mop and Bucket with Wringer set. Designed to streamline your cleaning routine, this innovative system combines efficiency and convenience for a spotless home. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual wringing with the Mast Home Spin Mop. Featuring an EasyWring foot pedal, this mop and bucket set allows you to effortlessly control the level of moisture in the mop head. The foot pedal mechanism enables hands-free wringing, making the entire process swift and stress-free. Crafted for durability and functionality, the adjustable stainless steel mop handle ensures comfortable cleaning at your preferred height. Tackle hard-to-reach spots with ease, thanks to the ergonomic design that minimizes strain on your body. The Mast Home Spin Mop and Bucket set is perfect for various floor types, effectively picking up dirt, dust, and spills. The microfiber mop head is highly absorbent and gentle on surfaces, leaving floors gleaming and residue-free. The accompanying bucket is equipped with thoughtful features. The splash guard prevents water splatter during wringing, and the sturdy handle ensures easy transportation from room to room. When not in use, the compact design allows for convenient storage. Upgrade your cleaning arsenal with the Mast Home Spin Mop and Bucket with Wringer set. Experience the benefits of a modernized mop that simplifies your routine and enhances cleanliness. Make your floors shine effortlessly. Bring home Mast Home's innovation today. Number 2. Tsmine Mop and Bucket. Revolutionize your floor cleaning routine with the Tsmine Spin Mop and Bucket with Wringer set. Designed for both residential and commercial use, This advanced system takes the hassle out of keeping your floors spotless. Experience the power of efficient cleaning with the Tsmine Spin Mop. The built-in wringer and spinning mechanism allow you to control the level of moisture in the mop head, ensuring optimal cleaning results for various floor types. The foot pedal operation keeps your hands dry and free, making rinsing a breeze. This comprehensive set comes with 6 replacement mop refills, ensuring that you're always equipped for a thorough clean. The microfiber mop heads are highly absorbent and effective in picking up dirt and debris, leaving your floors immaculate. Crafted with durability in mind, the Tsmine mop handle is sturdy and adjustable to accommodate your preferred height, reducing strain during extended cleaning sessions. The commercial-grade design is perfect for tackling larger spaces efficiently. The Tsmine Spin Mop and Bucket are designed for convenience. The spacious bucket accommodates the mop head easily and is equipped with a wringer that minimizes splashes. The set is easy to store when not in use, making it a practical addition to any cleaning arsenal. Elevate your cleaning game with the Tsmine Spin Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. Experience the ease of spinning technology combined with quality construction. Achieve spotless floors effortlessly and make a cleaner, more welcoming environment a reality. Get your Tsmine Spin Mop set today and enjoy the difference it brings to your space. Number 1. O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System. Discover the ultimate in efficient floor cleaning with the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System in stunning red and gray. This innovative cleaning solution revolutionizes your cleaning routine, making it faster, easier, and more effective. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop features advanced microfiber technology that effortlessly captures dirt, dust, and spills, leaving your floors gleaming and spotless. The microfiber mop head is gentle yet highly effective on all types of flooring, ensuring a thorough clean every time. With a built-in EasyWring wringer, you can say goodbye to traditional, messy wringing methods. Simply place the mop head into the wringer, activate the foot pedal, and watch as the wringer spins out excess water. This hands-free operation not only saves you time, but also ensures that your floors dry faster, minimizing the risk of slips and accidents. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop comes complete with a durable bucket designed for convenience. The bucket features a splash guard to prevent water from splashing during wringing and a comfortable handle for easy transport. The sleek red and gray design adds a touch of style to your cleaning routine. Upgrade your cleaning experience with the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System. Enjoy the benefits of cutting-edge cleaning technology and make your floors the envy of all who visit. Effortless cleaning is just a spin away. Get your O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop today and redefine the way you clean. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.